Hi, today we have a Peugeot 308 with a 2-liter HDI engine. I'm going to show you how to refill the additive, because when you start the engine, on the screen is showing message that the additive for the particle filter is low. So I'm going to raise the vehicle. The additive reservoir is located at the rear left side of the vehicle. So first I have to remove this plastic cover. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts with 10mm wrench, and here we have 2 plastic fast pins. After removing the plastic cover, I can remove this metal crossbar. And next I have to open these plastic pins, plastic screws. Now they should be pressed and turn only 90 degrees, and after that this lower part can be removed. So I have to push towards the vehicle and turn them for 90 degrees. And now I can pull out the plastic cover. So now we can see the additive bag, and we can disconnect it from here. We have to press these 2 pins, and after that we can pull out the plug. Now we can refill with this bag again with additive. We can reuse it, or we can install new bag that is previously filled. I have refilled the bag with 2.2 liters of Eolys. So now I'm going to install into the plastic cover. And now I have connected the we have installed the plastic hose. I have connected the plastic hose. So now I can return the plastic cover into its place. Like this, and now I can tighten the plastic bolts. So now I can install the metal crossbar here. It goes here and also here. And now I can install the plastic cover. Everything is installed back together. So now I can lower the vehicle and connect with diagnostic tester to reset the counter for the additive. I have lowered the vehicle. Also now I'm going to connect with the diagnostic tester. So with this tester I have to connect with the DPF configuration. So now we have option for the multiplex additive pump, replacement of additive tank, I have lowered the vehicle, I have turned the ignition on, also I have connect with the diagnostic tester. So now I'm entering with the DPF system. So now I'm going to search for Peugeot. I'm connecting with the engine ECU. And now we have a lot of options. So here we have filling of additive reservoir. Programming done. Switch off the ignition off and switch it on again. Okay. So now we can see that there is no more fault code on the screen. So now we can check here. We are going to connect automatically search, system selection, multiplex, read code or fault code, read data stream. And now the total additive is 2.2 liter. The reservoir is 100% full. So this means that the counter for the diesel additive is resetted. So now I can start the engine. So now the car is ready to pass again 180,000 kilometers with the new additive bag. And this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.